Sennheiser has introduced headphones models to replace the previous 4.50 series, named HD350BT and HD450BT. In particular, the HD450BT headset model is a product of active noise cancelling headphones, with a quite affordable price. Sennheiser HD450BT has active noise cancelling support, and quick access to virtual assistant with the click of a button. Up to 30 hours of battery life, plus fast charging via USB-C. Sennheiser HD450BT is an over-ear wireless headset with a beautiful and luxurious design, standing out from the crowd of headphones, with a beautiful, minimalist, modern design and well-finished from high materials. Grant. The Sennheiser HD450BT has a headband, and the earpad is made of high-quality leather for a very comfortable feel to wear. The earpad that fits the whole arm feels very smooth and pleasant, extremely soft. The headset is also very light and comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Ear cup straps stretch the tradition. The headset can also be folded neatly, easily put into the carrying case. Extremely convenient for travel, business. The bottom right of the headset is equipped with a USB-C charging port, 3.5mm jack, control buttons and a dedicated button for calling virtual aids. Sennheiser HD450BT is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology for a better battery life, no connection drops and less audio lag. The audio codecs SBC, AAC, APS for signal transmission are less attenuated, ensuring stable transmission quality, for better sound. The APS low latency codec significantly reduces latency when watching videos or playing games. Active noise cancelling on this headset is something not to be missed. Feel the change of sound immediately when you put on the headset. This headset is great if you use it in the office, or on the train when you do not want to be disturbed. The product is equipped with a conversation mic, with a control button that can be used to adjust the volume, pause or play music very easily. There's also a separate key on the headset for calling virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant or Alexa. According to the manufacturer, Sennheiser HD450BT has a battery life of about 30 hours of use. This is an extremely good battery life. You can use the headset for up to a week without worrying about running out of battery. But even when the battery runs out, you can still plug the two 3.5mm plug attached to enjoy music. The ability to charge quickly via USB-C is also equipped with Sennheiser for its headphones. HD450BT is also compatible with the Sennheiser Smart Control app to customize various audio modes as well as a few other features. With an affordable price, good finishing, Sennheiser sound quality, noise cancelling features and extremely handy virtual assistant, Sennheiser HD450BT is a great choice for those who are looking for a good ear for daily use.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.